In this video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 useful Android tips in 2020, which will be very useful for you also. So if you are also searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you want more this kind of technology related video, so you are in the right video and you are in the right YouTube channel. So do like, share and subscribe. So without any delay, let's begin our tutorial. If you want to edit your photos perfectly, so the AirCut is one of the useful application for you. So using AirCut, you can blur your background, or you can make any kind of effects, or you can give any kind of effects to your photo. So AirCut is one of the useful application which is available inside Play Store. If you want to also edit your photos perfectly and you want to give a perfect photo effect, then this is the right application for you. So I am giving you the download link inside the description, so you can check that one.
So now you can see here there is a two option available. The first option is camera and the second option is the gallery, but in this time I am using the gallery. And if I went inside the gallery, now you can see here there is a different kind of photo available, so I am using this photo. So if I click here, it's loading, it will take little bit time. And from here, now you can see here there is a the first option is object and second option is background. So using the object, you can give different kind of filters from here. Now you can see here different kind of filters available from here. And using the for the background, you can give different kind of the blur. Okay, now you can see here you can use different kind of things from here. And you can use the contrast, okay, and you can use the brightness, and you can use the saturation and different kind of things available. From the filter, you can use different kind of effects from here. So this is also one of the useful application. You can try this one. I am giving you a download link inside the description. You can check that one.
And the second useful application is Hermit. So using the Hermit, you can use the light version of your any kind of Android application. So it is very useful if you have limited storage inside your Android smartphone. Then in that case, you can use Hermit. So using the Hermit, you can use the light version of your any kind of favorite application, such as YouTube, such as Facebook, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, lots things available inside the Hermit. Just you can use the light version of your any kind of favorite Android applications.
So another useful application is Hermit. So using the Hermit, you can use the light version of your favorite different kind of applications, such as Facebook, such as Messenger, YouTube, and different kind of things available inside the Hermit. So this is also, now you can see here there is a Hermit Live Apps browser. And first of all, you have to create a new apps from here. So first of all, click here. There are two options available. The first one is the ready-made light apps, and another is the create your own. So using your create your own, you can create any kind of your lightweight light apps using the Hermit. The Hermit is one of the useful application in 2020, which is very useful. So using this one, if you have a storage problem in your smartphone, in that case it is one of the useful application. Now you can see here there is a Facebook available, Google available, Messenger, Reddit, Twitter, different kind of applications, light versions available. To use the Hermit, you need an internet connection. Without internet connection, you cannot use the light light version of your application. So Hermit also one of the useful application. So it will very helpful if you have a storage problem inside your Android smartphone.
So another useful application is Google Trips. So using Google Trips, you can search your hotels, you can search your cars and different kind of things available inside the Google Trips. If you are a traveler or if you are traveling anywhere in the world, so in that case it will be very useful. It will show any kind of necessary things for the traveling inside this application, but you need an internet connection to use this application. So you must try this one also in 2020, which will be very useful for you if you are a traveler blogger or anything else. For the Google Trips also, I'm going to give you a download link inside the video descriptions.
Another useful application is Google Trips, which is provided by the Googles. That's why it is one of the useful application if you are a traveler or if you are traveling anywhere in the world. So using the Google Trips, you can search your flights, you can search your hotels, you can search your cars. And if you click also here, now you can see here there is a Google Trips available, flight, hotels, car rental, different kind of necessary things available here if you are a traveler. So first of all, for example, I am searching a flight. If I click here, it will take little bit time. It will fetch all the data related to my locations. So it's telling me that please wait. It depends on your internet connection. To use Google Trips also you need a internet connection. Now you can see here it's searching different kind of things. Now you can see here it's giving me the country and the country, city, airport, and it's giving me the date and different kind of things available inside here for the New York and for the Miami FL and different kind of things available. You can search the hotels, okay, and you can search the car rental, different kind of things available inside the Google Trips, which will be very helpful if you are traveling anywhere inside the world. So this is also one of the useful application in 2020. I am giving you the download link inside the description. You can check if you want to try this application.
Another useful application is Stamp Mail. If you want to create a temporary email, in that case it is very useful. So you can also try this one. So using this application you can create a temporary email. So to use this one you have to download from your Play Store. So I'm giving you the download link inside the description, so you can check that one. So it is one of the useful application. So it will give a temporary email to you. So if you sign off in different websites and if you are getting the lots of emails problem, lots of marketing emails related problems, then in that case it will be very useful application for you.
Another useful application is Stamp Mail. Using Stamp Mail, you can create temporary email. So if you have facing different kind of issues with your email, sometimes the different kind of marketing company will send different kind of spam email and different kind of marketing email. Sometimes it will be too much problem. So that's why if you want to create a temporary email, in that case it will give you a temporary email. No need to sign up, no need to register. If you open your application, then it will give you this kind of the temporary email. So you can copy this one, you can edit this one, okay. If I click here, you can use the web and desktop version, restore purchase, different kind of things available. And in the inbox you will get your different kind of email. So if you want to use a temporary email, this is one of the useful application. I'm giving you the download link in the description. You can check that one.
Another useful application is Samsung Recorder. Sometimes you have to record your powerful audio. In that case it will be very useful. So if you are an Android user, it is available inside the Android smartphone by default. So you can try this one. So using this application you can download a high quality sound. So if you want to record, or if you are doing a reporting related project or any kind of recording related project, then in that time it will be very useful application. You have to try this one. I'm giving you the download link, the sound recorder of Samsung.
Another useful application is Samsung Sound Recorder. So for this one, I'm opening this one. This is a voice recorder. Sometime we need to record best quality audio. In that case, you can use this one. So using the voice recorder, you can record best quality audio inside your Android smartphone. So if you are using a Samsung mobile phone, in that case it is available by default. But if you are not using a Samsung mobile phone, it cannot be there maybe. So that's why I'm giving you a download link. So from here, now you can see here there is a different kind of list available. So inside, if I click here, now there is a setting available, and you can set the recording quality. You can make it high, you can make it medium, you can make it low also, but in this time I'm making a high quality. And you can block calls while recording, and you can play continuously, and you can set the storage location and different kind of things available inside this voice recorder. And if I click in the list, there is a different kind of recorded sounds available. This is these all the sounds are previously recorded inside my smartphone. So if you want to download this application, then I'm giving you the download link.
Hoping that you understand something from this video. If you have still any kind of confusion about this video, and if you want more these kind of videos on my YouTube channel, let me check in the comment sections. Please don't hesitate to ask me any questions. If you have any problems related with these videos, I'll try to give answer of your questions. So I'll meet you in another video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.